Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and I want to show a technique I learned from Dr. Ho Harayati, and I'll put his name there because I may not have quite got the pronunciation correct, but it was a brilliant concept that he calls accountability through transparency, and he uses Google Sheets, conditional formatting and Google Sheets. And so I'm going to walk through the process of it. I'm selecting the column now, and then we click formatting and then conditional formatting here. Under conditional formatting, we notice I've selected the range, and I could put, if it's just empty, I could make the default a particular color. So I can pick the color like that, and then that's set. Then I can add another rule, and then from here, we have a status column, and that would be different statuses of a project. In that, I could pick a text containing a text, and we can make the value not started. I'll put that lowercase so it's easy. All right, and then we'll make that color red, okay? And then I'll add another rule, and then this one would be in process. There we go. Okay, and then I would make that, we'll just make that, to make this real simple, a yellow, and then we'll add another rule, and then we'll put the next one in as completed. Okay, then we have completed, and that color, we'll pick that color here in the colors, and we'll make that a bright green. Okay, so then I'll click done, and then notice it shows it right here. Empty cell, text containing, not started, in process, and completed. Then the next column, we would have who it's assigned to, and this is very important. There's no activity that's not assigned to someone. The third would be the task, and this is a very simplified version of his brilliant work, but the third would be a task. So we could say, we're working on cleaning the yard. Okay, so you would be first pick up sticks and pine cones. Picking up sticks and pine cones. Next might be mow the lawn, and then the third one would be use the blower to blow off the trimmings. Okay, so we got three tasks here, and there'll be let's say three different people. So the first job is picking up the sticks, and we'll assign this to Martin. Then mow the lawn, and then we've got Jim J mowing the lawn, and then Barbara B blowing the driveway off. So now we have three different tasks assigned to three different people, and we want to put in our status. Remember, we have the status over here. So if we say right here, let's say I have completed this status right now. Notice how it then selects green. Then Jim has started it, and he updates in process. Okay? And then over here when we select, see, they can look over, get a sense of nomenclature. We have that. Or you can have that someplace else. And then this would be not started. So then everyone has sign in directly, so we know who's interacting with it, and they update themselves. Of course, in a real project, it'd be more complicated in this. But then let's say, okay, I've completed that one, and then Jim completes this, and he goes in and puts in completed. Bang, green. And then Barbara comes back, goes, okay, I finished blowing off the driveway. I just started typing and it finished. And then we have it. And this simple system is part of the brilliance that he came up with using format and conditional format that I just demonstrated in Sheets. This completes this tutorial. This is Martin Brossman. Have a great day, and click subscribe and the bell. I'll put his contact information below because he's a brilliant consultant, and I so appreciate the things I've learned from him so far.